IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Inpakamo ni Michelle Payabaya, Manager ti Public Employment Service Office iti Siyudad Tilawag na nagduduma iti pagtrabahuan iti palasiw tawa na dya para karigitagsapsapol iti pagbrana iti Labor Day Job Fair anaanga iti dakilamol iti siyudad. Kunana ang nagduduma kumpanya iti nakipagpaset iti nasa unga aktibidad pribado man wenno gobyerno ken kastamet nga da iti duwa nga Overseas Manpower Agency tapno agrecruit kadagiti kayat na agtrabaho abroad.
Happy Labor Day, araw ng manggagawa. So far apo dumet tinakapilan magita tayo met adto tag-fill out attendance and at damit digite nagdo mga partner companies and partner establishments and some government agencies nga ag-recruitment ita like the Philippine National Police and the Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital and Medical Center. We have 1,914 job vacancies available for all Lawagueños, not only for Lawagueños but also for the entire province as well as from the nearby area po. So at dapay duwa nga overseas manpower agencies to recruit for Saudi Arabia. We have Papua New Guinea, digite nurses apo adut masapol da jay Papua at the same time digite medical alay nga medical digite pang clinics apo makita yo met jay post peso law gada amin ni jay apo. And then for another agency adut masapol da apo in Greece, Japan, Lithuania and Hungary apo. Dapat makasapol ti employees bound for Saudi Arabia apo.
Mainaay giti daytoy inbatad na dagiti kang ronaan na pagubrana kasapulan para kadagiti sa balya pagilian o kasiti Lithuania, Papua New Guinea, Saudi Arabia ken dadumapoy.
For the Papua New Guinea apo, we have pharmacists, stenographers, dentists, operations manager, laboratory manager. The Papua New Guinea apo, the hospital masapol da paiti dialysis nurses, nurse general staff, radiology nurse, manager, human resources manager, hospital operations manager. For Saudi Arabia, makasapol that waiters, kitchen helpers. Another in Papua New Guinea apo, digite carpentero, bricklayer, scaffolder, electricians, plumber, rigger construction, production manager, mechanical light, heavy duty operators, steel fixers, operations manager. In Lithuania apo masapol that welders. In Hungary masapol that waste sorting workers. In Japan they need electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, electronics and communications engineer. In Qatar they need electrician and generator plants. In Greece masapol da apo ti kitchen assistant nga male, waiter nga male, hotel cleaner nga female, waitresses nga female, kitchen assistants, cleaners and housekeepers. For Saudi Arabia apo masapol dati nail technicians DJ apo. So dito pang overseas. So adu pinagraduarmet ti kakasting nga kurso to ilawag may kayo na apo, may kayo ag-apply, try your luck here for the European countries so that perhaps you can provide a better future for your family if you work there apo.
Kabayatan na inayon ni Miss Abaya ang mandato daytoy a Labor Day Job Fair ket tapno mangipay iti pagtrabahuan kadagiti kakailan dito probinsya ken kunana a simultaneous daytoy a maanga iti sabasabala lugar dito Pilipinas kas direktiba ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos a maikkan iti pagtrabahuan dagiti amin a Pilipino. Para iti IFM News, Idol Rain Santos, tatak IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.